Hello from the Godwins. We're gonna look here. I'm super excited. Our sales kit came in with all the spring summer goodies, and I could not wait to share them with you guys. So we've just opened the box. We've not looked at anything just yet. So you guys are coming along on the ride with us. And my handsome, Luke, there's a, I don't know where it is actually. The new testers. I want to go with those. I'll find those.
Get them while we do this.
Okay, so open this. This is, tell them what it is.
The mini fan diffuser. It's mint. Oh my goodness.
Just don't tear it.
Yeah, I'll try. You find them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, it's a mint color.
Make sure you show them. And then I have a pile right here.
It's okay. That is what it is.
Okay.
And then it's USB.
Has a USB cord.
They don't have a top?
Nope. Oh, actually, I think, are we supposed to do them like that? Does anybody
I
know?
think it fits better. It doesn't fall out.
Okay. And it looks better that way too. Oh my gosh, yeah.
It makes it
Okay.
look better.
Yeah. So they come in 3 colors, you guys.
This one's mint.
Okay. Thank you. You can put it back. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So, and did you notice that he said it's a USB cord? Yeah. So you can plug that bad boy into your car chargers, everything. Okay. Prickly pear and agave hand soap, Scentsy soap. Will one of you guys open this? Now and Zen Scentsy soak. Oh my gosh, it's feeling like a spring spa up in here. Okay, sorry you guys. Who's got their hands on any of the new stuff yet? You can open all the box. Oh, that's so beautiful. Radiate positivity. That is so cute. I love that it's dull.
Yeah.
Oh, Luke's got what I'm the most excited about. Luke has it. Okay, so Now and Zen body wash, prickly pear and agave body wash. And guys, if you ever get these and they're leaking, just call support. They are so amazing. One time I got one of mine in and it was leaking and I called support and I was like, it's kind of gooey, it's kind of ooey, and I don't really want to send this to my customer. They're like, no problem. They overnighted me another bottle. It was crazy.
Okay.
Prickly pear, wait. Prickly pear and agave fragrance mist, body spray, what do you call that stuff? Body mist, yeah. And Now and Zen. Okay. Now and Zen hand soap, prickly pear and agave hand soap.
Okay.
Coming up.
Time for
Wait.
the diffuser. Or whatever. Yeah, it's
It's the new
the diffuser.
diffuser.
You have a timer setting on it too, I think.
And it has a timer.
Is
No,
that what it is?
I don't really know. Get the. Ooh. Where's the insert?
Insert.
The new essential oil diffuser.
That's hard.
So handsome. The gray is stunning, and if you haven't caught on, every wall in my house pretty much is a gray tone, except the bathrooms.
Oh, it's a lighting. Mom.
The top one is for lighting.
The top one is for lighting,
And a mist slider is the bottom
and a
one.
mist slider is the bottom. Like, this is so simple. A caveman could do it. Sorry, caveman. This is so simple. A blonde could do it. This is huge. What? Okay, these 3 can be opened. Okay. Berry and Bright.
Oh, I love that.
Can you get, my husband always tries to get out there.
That might be my new all-time
Oh
favorite.
my
Did you
gosh.
smell it?
Tell me explain to them what it smells like without using the Scentsy description words.
Let me smell it again. Got a little bit of a perfectly pomegranate smell to me, mixed with a blueberry maybe.
Yeah, I smell a little bit of blueberry and oh, that's pretty.
Think of it lit up.
That is stunning.
It's not got insert in it.
Stinks. Like new things stink. Okay. What you got over there, Mr. Handsome? Hold on, we have another scent. Hi Marcus, no hiding. Ooh, hey, is that the whole thing? Oh, it's so feminine looking.
It's got the little head thing.
Yeah, so and the
Yeah,
dish
it's
is
got
just a
the
regular
dish,
dish. Huh, this is called iridescent pearl. Every time I say the word pearl, I feel like I'm a deep southerner. Pearl. How do you say pearl?
Ooh,
Pearl.
white lavender mint.
Here.
White lavender mint new essential oil.
Mmm.
I like that. It's like
It's light. I
You
don't
already
know.
went over these?
I like it, but it smells like a bathroom smell to me, if
Yeah.
I'm being honest.
Yeah.
You know I'm being honest.
So you already went over these?
Oh, what's this?
Now one's done.
Oh, now I'm in body cream, and prickly pear and agave body cream.
This is hand cream in the same ones.
Oh, I love the colors. The packaging is so bright and happy and grown up looking, but
Same-
still fun. And
Same thing in the hand soap.
Okay.
Vanilla Mineral Oasis.
Mineral Oasis.
Mm.
Mmm. What do you think of this one?
I like it.
He's still hiding.
it's good.
There's a
Hold on, I'm getting too many smells.
There's an old
This
smell that
is-
smells just like it. Maybe
There
coconut
is.
lemongrass, maybe.
No, there's something else we used to have. What is
Yeah.
the name of this? Mahalo coconuts.
Here
We
comes.
oh, coconut cotton.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
I knew it was coconut.
coconut cotton. I didn't really.
I love it.
Mineral Oasis kind of
This-
smells like a little bit of a flower smell that I'm not sure I'm ready for yet.
I like that.
Everybody
I like
likes
it.
it except me. Even
And I think I
people.
like this better than coconut cotton.
Okay, you keep on pushing this off the table. That'd be a bad day. Okay. Here, we can just throw them in the bottom. Do we have this one more open yet?
No.
Here comes the sun. Flowers. I can barely
I
smell
like
this
it. I
one
can
well.
smell it. It's strong to me.
I think I'm overdoing my nose.
Hibiscus
yeah, that's
pineapple.
strong.
Really? Oh gosh.
Not overbearingly strong, but
I've already smelled it.
I was expecting that.
What did you think? Explain it without
Oh,
like.
let me smell it again. I'm horrible with those explainings.
You're a fragrance specialist.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
Smell like
I'm
a
a
grandma.
customer specialist, not a fragrance.
Did you hear that?
I'm
Hired.
Hibiscus pineapple is pretty good.
I about chopped my face off trying.
I don't know, babe.
Yeah.
Hibiscus pineapple. That's kind of.
It kind of
Really
reminds me
good.
of beach smell.
I agree.
But I-
Beachy. Okay.
I found my new favorite so far.
He's finding his favorites.
Rainbow.
I'm so excited.
Sherbet.
Which one are you guys the most excited about getting into your hands? Rainbow. Oh, this smells like cherry limeade
Oh,
from
you're gonna love it.
from way back in the day. Cherry limeade. This smells like cherry limeade, and I love it. Oh, that's
beauty.
so me. This is
That's heavy.
beautiful.
Modern
That
liquid.
is very much like my
Looks like
kind
concrete.
of yumminess. This is so my decor. Oh, the colors are beautiful. Can you guys see the
Like that with
colors?
the rock and
This is
stuff.
stunning. Oh,
I found my favorite.
I got all of this stuff to give away, but I don't know that I can. Okay, I have to go.
This one's better.
Peach nectar. I love me some peach. Because why? Why do I love peach? Because I've loved peach since I was a little girl. But also, we now live in the peach state, so it's kind of like a given. Oh, this is good. Peach nectar is so fine.
No one saw anything.
Okay.
The Madagascar.
I need that. What is this? I like it, but you won't because it has a lime.
Coco Lime. Oh, I like it. I
That's
like
right.
it. Ooh, and you know what? Lime is so good when you mix it with other stuff.
I think it'd mix good with this.
Okay.
Chili mango.
Ew.
It smells good.
Actually, that's so awesome. I smell some spicy in it.
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm so floored by chili mango.
It's almost
That's
a, it's almost a, no. Shoot, you always kept it in the bathroom.
Oh,
Sun-kissed citrus.
really? I don't keep
No.
sun-kissed citrus in the bathroom.
I think that's what I'm thinking
Southern
about.
sweet tea, maybe?
No, from the old house. The reason I remember is because the toilet backed up and we sprayed it so much that I didn't like that smell no more.
I don't think I want to talk about that anymore. Now I'm never going to want to use it.
Neither.
Okay, and it is, there's something, did we open all the warmers and stuff? Okay, so will you guys open these essential oils up? Please and thank you.
Let's move these boxes down.
Well, this is,
These are all the new ones. Okay. So,
so you can go ahead and open the,
sure.
to
So
smell
the
it.
cool thing about it, it's the chili in it. So Jessica said it's the chili in it.
Oh, that's a cool new bottle.
So I don't know.
Actually,
So I'm gonna go through these real quick.
It smells like Savage.
Whoa, that smells like a good guy.
Chanel.
Oh no, we were smelling Daddy's. His hand smells like cologne. Jeez.
Oh yeah.
Never mind. Yeah, that doesn't smell.
Yeah.
Luke smelled his hand and
Yeah,
was
I'm
like,
like,
"That smells like your
just
new
like-
cologne." Like, and I thought it was the oil.
I like
but
that though.
yeah, the vanilla cardamom. The cardamom is it's spicy a little bit, and it smells so good. Okay, so Waves and
That's a
Wonders is
flower
coming
smell.
back. Southern Sweet Tea is coming back. That's kind of pleasant.
Sea salt and lotus.
Sea salt and lotus. Toasted
Sea salt,
marshmallow was
nothing
one of
else.
my favorites. This lasts
Not over and over.
forever, you guys. Summer Holiday smells like it's one of my favorite. I love it so much. Summer Holiday is one that I try to push on people because I just want them to love it. Pineapple Paradise Punch is back. Havana Cabana is back. Rainbows and
We've had
Butterflies.
this before. It smells like we've had it. Oh, I like.
What is the name of it?
White lavender mint. We've had that before.
No.
It smells.
I don't think so. Squeeze the Days back. Strawberry champagne truffles. Farmers Market.
Yes.
What'd you guys think of Farmers Market?
I love it.
I smell carrots.
It's the chili.
Let me see. Farmer's market. You smell carrots.
There's carrots in it.
Well, it's a market, so.
You smell carrots?
It's very, very light.
But it's
I
in
don't think
there.
so.
I
Smell
don't
this,
smell
Luke. I can see you having this in your room. It's called Saddle Up. It's
Saddle
not a new
Up.
one. It came out like as a scent warmer of the month 1 month.
Oh, I do like that.
Lush Gardenia's back. Make Waves is back. That will make people super happy.
What?
Those ones.
That's good.
Ooh, Havana.
9 Realms.
Smells like leather.
Pina Colada Cha Cha. That one was a good seller. Bonfire Beach, so yummy. Bonfire Beach, if you are a lover of eucalyptus mint or Just Breathe, I find people like Bonfire Beach. So keep that in mind.
The Marvel 9 Realms is a little too fruity.
Really? Skinny Dipping's back.
Yes.
Tropic Tango. What? I don't remember if Tropic Tango was one we had before. Caramel sugar cone. Here comes the sunflowers. Dumbo! I'm so happy about this one, you guys. It smells like just the happiest ever. That was one that I loved. Do We or Don't We is back.
It's citrusy and
Mojito
clean.
Mambo.
So light.
Be My Honey. Okay, this one's new. Lion King Circle of Life. Give me your thoughts.
Cinnamony.
Atlantic Air's back. Camu Camu's back. Aloha Citrus is back.
Yeah, it smells.
Berry.
Come
Oh, essential oils.
What? Tell
I
me.
can't smell that because he touched the essential oil. to
Oh
my
no,
nose.
you're ruined.
He also did it to me, so.
Oh man, this berry bright. There's just something fine about it. it may be my most favorite. Okay, did we unbox everything? You guys, we have a mess to clean up. I cannot wait for you guys to do a live unboxing with your Scentsy goods. We all want to see everything that you have and to get your family's take on it. So I hope you've had fun watching us unbox everything. I am going to get off of here because I have warmers to set up and new wax to try and essential oils and all the things. Okay, bye.